Hello, Alex's EDC Army, and welcome to Alex's Knives and Such, where the Such stands for EDC gear. From the 8th of June until the 13th of June, which is 5 days, I will be only carrying slip joint knives. I have a small variety, and I will be carrying a bunch of them. No folder, no locking folder, no fixed blade, a flashlight, yes. The two I'm going to start with is this Rough Rider in this pleather sheath with pocket clip. It is the Rough Rider. Let's open it. Rough Rider Dog Bone Jack or Rough Rider RR1185. This is the first blade. It's in 440 razor sharp steel. It's a small blade. Along with, I'm going to be carrying the Victorinox Super Tinker. It is Victorinox stainless. Till I use this blade. And it has bottle opener, flathead, wire stripper, no, this is the can opener, my bad. Can opener and flathead, bottle opener, wire stripper, and mini pry bar or flathead. I wouldn't pry with that though. A huge Phillips head screwdriver on all the reamer. Pointy tip. I bump the camera. This parcel hook, which they have a video out where it has a lot of different uses. So yeah, it's very useful, not for just carrying parcels that people don't do anymore. And then it has this small blade. The thing about the Super Tinker that I like over the Tinker and not having a Classic, because Classics are small, is the scissors. They are really great to me. And I like them a lot. They're really, really robust scissors. And then the Classic tweezers and toothpick. I've used this toothpick once. It worked really well. But yeah, that's going to be my challenge for 5 days on my channel. No locking folders, no fixed blades, only and only non-locking slip joints. As this Rough Rider Dog Bone Jack or Rough Rider RR1185 and this Victorinox Super Tinker. This bone jack has jigged bone, you can tell, and it has a dog bone shield with Rough Rider in it. As well as this pleather sheath with this design and a pocket clip. Let me know what you think of this challenge in the comment section below. And if you carry slip joints, let me know what you carry and how it works for you. Like, comment, share, subscribe, even dislike. Have a great day. Be safe. Subscribe to my channel for more to come. Look out for the guy, girl to your left. Look out for the guy, girl to your right. Hashtag be up. Hashtag DSKFS. Choose love, not hate. And remember to use your sharp blades. Do not do this because they will close. Bye.